Hey guys, welcome to history class for Friday and for Monday, okay? Tuesday's really I think it's gonna be fun because that's when you get to be your travel agents, okay? But we'll talk about that on Tuesday. So for today and for Monday, meaning says, either we're all confused or you just knew I was confused and just decided to do it exactly like I told you to do it. I said on Monday, I think it was, that 3.2 starts on page 104, which absolutely makes no sense because section 2 review is on page 104. But everyone knew that eventually this would happen to us because this book is so weird and never just tells you when the sections start. So I imagine that you guys just trusted me on this one. Usually I would hope that you can trust me, but on this one I made a mistake. But I'm looking at your homework and I'm seeing that you just did what I told you to do. So that's great because now you're ready to just do what I told you to do on this one, okay? Look, I accidentally had you guys do 3.3 this week. I guess I got so excited about United Kingdom and the British Isles that I did not even realize that I was telling you to do 3.3. So you guys did that. I like the videos that you guys picked and the information that you gave. So we're done with 3.3. So really this time on Friday and Monday, we're on 3.2. So go back to your books and look at page 95. 3.2 is supposed to be on Central Europe, but that's not what I did. Sorry about that. Okay, so what are you gonna do for the notes and everything for 3.2? This is how you're gonna do it. Give me 3 sentences on the introduction to Central Europe. Okay, that's going to be like what's included there. You have the Alps, you have the Pyrenees, you have the Rhine River, you have what countries it is, what climate, what region, etc. Okay, they talk about the westerly winds and different things like that, which is interesting because we've been talking about currents in science class. So there you go. Enjoy connecting those two things together. And then today, let me tell you the countries that you're going to be going over. France, Switzerland, and Austria. France, Switzerland, and Austria, okay? What are you gonna do? You're gonna give me 3-sentence introduction to France, 5 sentences on the people and cultures of France, okay? You need to tell me about these things. Give me sorry, I just remember this. Give me 3 sentences on Andorra and Monaco. We already did the video on that. They just give you really quickly a paragraph about, give me 2 sentences. 2 sentences on Andorra and Monaco. And 2 sentences on the resources and industries of France, okay? Switzerland, again, let's do it. 3 sentences on the introduction, 5 sentences on the people and cultures, 2 sentences on the resources and industries. In the people and culture, don't forget to mention the Swiss Army. Alps, 3-sentence introduction, 3 sentences on the people and cultures because there's not a lot of information there, and 2 sentences on the resources and industries. Okay, that's for today. Also including for today, I want you to find a video, again, on one aspect of those 3 countries that you want to focus on. You can focus on, you can put in the YouTube search Central Europe, Central European countries, and watch a video on that. You can pick a landmark, right? The Eiffel Tower. The only thing I don't want you to do is I don't want you to pick the landmark of the Louvre. I don't want you to watch just a video on the Louvre because we talked about the Louvre before. Okay, I want you to branch out to look at different things. Okay, we've done an interactive thing about the Louvre. So you could pick the Palace of Versailles. Remember, we learned about that with Louis XIV. You could pick the Cathedral of Notre Dame. You could pick the Eiffel Tower. You could go into, again, Andorra and Monaco, just not the same video that we did the other day. Okay, anything about Switzerland, anything about Austria, okay, the Alps. There's so many different things that you could watch a video on in those countries. Okay, then for Monday, you're going to be doing the rest of the chapter, so that's the rest of the section paired down, Germany, the European Union, and then your low countries, Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg. And that's it, okay? How are you going to do this one? Well, first of all, look at Germany. 3-sentence introduction. 5 sentences on the people and cultures. 3 sentences on the resources and industries. 3 sentences on the European Union. 3 sentences on the introduction to the Low Countries. 3-sentence introduction on Netherlands. 5 sentences on the people and cultures. 2 sentences on the resources and industries. 3 sentences on introducing Belgium and Luxembourg. And then 3 sentences about the people and the resources, because they don't break it down. They don't break it down. Then do the section 2 review. Also on Monday, what do you also have to do? Pick a video, okay? You could do the video on the Neuschwanstein Castle, which, by the way, you need to include that in your people and cultures. Okay, the Neuschwanstein Castle, if you want to do that. You could do the rivers in Germany. You could do the Northern European Plain. You could look up things on Martin Luther, even though we've done that a little bit before. You can do Berlin Wall. Okay? You could do a video on the European Union. You could do a video on the Low Countries. When you do a video, you have to send me the link and you need to get me notes on both days. Okay? If that felt a little bit disorganized and you're like, wait a second. What do I need to do? Miss Jessica, text me, ask me. But if you're taking notes during the video, I'm sure that you have all of the information. Don't forget, on the section 2 review, don't do the identify. Just the questions. Okay, there you go. That's your video for Friday and for Monday for history. Have a great day and enjoy. And we'll be back on Tuesday to make you guys travel agents for the day.